Hello, thanks for asking. This is an informational video on the Monstera Adansonii. I just received a cutting from a buyer in Massachusetts and another in Florida. I have potted one with main roots in the dirt, and she has been pretty much looking well so far. This is another cutting I've had, and she's also looking pretty well. Requirements for the Monstera Adansonii: bright indirect light, allowed to dry out between waterings, and high humidity. Soil type: it likes a mid-range neutral soil. I gave it sphagnum peat moss. I gave it Pro Mix, and also gave another one Fox Farm with a mix of Pro Mix and also a Fox Farm fish fertilizer mix in this container to see if we see a difference in growth, because not to compare or to compete with these two companies, but just wanted to use this to see a difference in the two. I also have this plant in a east facing window directly about 2 foot away from the window. This one is a south facing window. I'm sorry, not a south facing window, a west facing window, about also 2 foot away. So what I do is I have a cool mist humidifier. I keep also a bottle of spray mist that I spray the plants with about 2 to 3 days a week. And I also have a fish tank that also creates humidity in my house where I keep my plants. I suggest you get a humidity meter just to see where you're at for humidity, just because your plants, some of them come from high humidity areas such as rainforests, and things like that. So you just want to mimic where the plant came from, because that's the natural design. So that's just a rule of thumb to keep your plant alive and growing happy. If you have any questions about the Monstera Adansonii, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my plants, and also welcome them to my collection. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.